Good morning, students. How are you? Today we will discuss a very important point. In this point, a question was asked to me that please explain why electrons present in an orbital are always of opposite spin. So if we explain the nature of electron present, electron is a negatively charged particle with a negligible mass. Mass is ignorable because it is already a lighter particle as compared to proton and neutron, and moving with a very high speed. That's why if we apply theory of relativity, then mobile mass will become more less than that of rest mass. Electron revolve around nucleus in closed circular orbits. This was the statement as per Bohr atomic theory. This is our nucleus and there is an electron which keeps on revolving around nucleus in this path. Okay, but the motion of electron is divided into, there are two types of motion for electron. One motion is around nucleus and other is around its own axis. So there are two types of motion. One is which is called rotation and other is called revolution. Revolution being very small, but rotation is very fast. In other words, it is also called as a spin. Now the question is, every time we write that electron may have a clockwise spin or it may have a anti-clockwise spin, and the spin quantum number is also written as plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, and in short sometime we also write it like plus minus 1 by 2. So why this happens? This is the motive of today's video. Electron just behave like a tiny bar magnet. As you imagine a bar magnet, there are two different poles, north pole and south pole, and electron also behave like this. Whenever electron is revolving around nucleus, it produces some magnetic as well as some electric field. We are interested here in magnetic field, and a fast moving electron will produce magnetic effect. As you know, there are two types of motion of revolving electron around nucleus. One is rotation, other is revolution. Revolution is relatively very small in comparison to rotation, which is very fast. Like our earth make a complete revolution in 365 days around sun, but it only take 24 hours to have a complete rotation around its own axis. That's why you can say that rotation is much faster in earth also. Very similar to this. We have every time studied that this small block is called as orbital. Orbital is a three-dimensional region around nucleus where probability of finding an electron wave is maximum. This is on the basis of quantum mechanics. There exist maximum 2 electrons together in this confined region called as orbital. This is a 3D region, and maximum capacity of every orbital is 2. Now question arises that electrons are the particles which have minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb of electric charge, and how two particles with same charge which repel each other can be placed in a very small region known as orbital. So here comes the probability. If you place two electrons within an orbital, they must be of opposite spin, because opposite spin of electron will produce opposite magnetic character, and you know that opposite magnetic poles attract each other. In this way, one electron is revolving in a clockwise manner and other electron is revolving in anti-clockwise manner. Okay, so in an orbital, why we place two electrons of opposite spin? The main reason is their magnetic character. One electron revolving in one direction will provide one type of magnetic character, but the same electron revolving in opposite direction will make possible the magnetic field of other direction. Two opposite fields will attract each other. That is why you can say that in a very small space of an orbital, two electron waves can exist together. Is it clear? Now it's time to discuss about the spin of electron. As we talk about the spin quantum number, see, for an event, all possibilities if we add, then the probability is always 1. Okay, but when there is only a 50% possibility of a event, then this possibility will be 1 by 2. And to make them differentiate from one another, we place this plus and minus sign, and this represents the spin of electron. That is why the electron which is placed in one direction is having a spin quantum number of plus 1 by 2, and in the opposite direction it will have a quantum number of opposite minus 1 by 2. There is a myth that an electron of upward spin is always plus 1 by 2 and downward spin is always minus 1 by 2. There is no such rule to define the quantum number of electron in this manner. Okay, there is no such rule. This is the only rule, that electrons revolve present in an orbital are of opposite spin, but which electron will have which kind of a spin. And one more important thing, the positive and negative sign we applied are also just a symbol to represent two opposite directions. Generally positive is supposed to be skilled, that's why we call it like clockwise, and negative is just representing anti-clockwise direction. So this is just a concept what is followed by everyone. There is no actually practical rule behind it. We have two main important rules for filling of electrons in an orbital which support the electrons present in an orbital are of opposite spin. One is Hund rule. This states that the pairing of electron is not allowed in a set of degenerate orbital until and unless we are getting a maximum set of unpaired electrons. They stated that if there is one configuration like P4, then we have to place electrons first of all to obtain the maximum set of unpaired electron, that is 3, and then pairing will start. That is why all the electrons initially placed should be of same spin, and the fourth electron will have the opposite spin. This rule is in favor with this concept, as well as there is one more rule which is called Pauli exclusion principle, and according to this principle there is no any possibility of an atom bearing two electrons having all four set of quantum numbers same. In other words, you can say that quantum numbers for individual electron belonging to an atom is always a unique set. We can have maximum three types of quantum numbers same, but fourth must be different. Suppose n is equals to 4, L is equals to 0, M is equals to 0, and S is equals to plus half. This will be the quantum number of 4 as 1 electron, and if electron present in the same orbital, this is second electron, so this will be L equal to 0, M is equals to 0, and S is equals to minus 1 by 2. You can find it according to this rule. Three quantum numbers can be same, but the last quantum number is different, and in this way this rule also favors the opposite spin, the presence of opposite spin of electron belonging to the same orbital. As for quantum numbers, if you ask, then I will make a detailed video on quantum numbers too, but when you discuss the quantum numbers n and l, it give information about subcell. If you discuss quantum number L, M and M, N, L and M, they provide an information about orbital, and if you consider all four, then they provide the information about an electron. So this was the statement in this small video. You can subscribe our channel for more detail. Thank you very much.